2019 Ascent needs full crash test comes about. Government and autonomous analyzers haven't yet smashed a Subaru Ascent, so we're holding off on our security score until the point when they do. We'll refresh this page when that progressions. Missing authority crash information. There are purposes behind hopefulness. The 2019 Ascent uses the typical skeleton that Subaru is utilizing for the majority of its autos and hybrids. In the 2019 Crosstrek, which is far littler and more packed, these appraised the Subaru's crashworthiness as great in all tests, including both front and traveler side little frontal covered crash tests. A relative rarity.Every Ascent is outfitted with a rear-view camera and Subaru's suite of a dynamic well-being highlights, called Vision. Visual perception sets windshield-mounted cameras and sensors for forward impact alerts with programmed crisis braking, versatile journey control, and dynamic path control. Premium and higher trims include blindside screens, raised programmed crisis braking, and programmed high shafts. At the best, touring trims include a 180-degree front-align camera and a camera-based rear-view reflect that shows a liberated view out of the rear. Like most substantial hybrids, the Subaru Ascent needs clear outward vision in the back and can feel wide on littler streets. Selecting premium or higher trim levels helps, because of standard blindside screens,